Hi, I'm John Wire, and I'm responsible for launching our enterprise mobile computing products here in EMEA. Today, I'm in our Zebra Experience Centre, and I'm getting hands-on with the brand new RS2100 wearable scanner. Now, this unit is literally fresh off the production line, and I'm just really impressed by how slim it is, how lightweight it is, how green it is, you won't lose that in the warehouse, and how simple it is to wear. And you can wear it right or left-handed. Not only that, it's a breeze to set up. You can easily pair with iOS or Android and then really get started hands-free scanning in an instant. It's also part of our Essentials range, so it comes in at a great price. I really do encourage you to talk to your friendly reseller or visit zebra.com/RS2100 to learn more.